Hello everybody, Tashina Gonzalez here, and I'm live and I'm in my kitchen today. I'm usually just sitting in a chair, but I am going to share some stuff with you guys. So Tashina Gonzalez from Be Like Diva here. As usual, as you hop on here, please give me a wave, a hi, a hello. Let me know what city and state you are watching me from. And then if you're watching the replay, which I'm only live on Instagram today, usually I'm live on both. So if you're watching it on Facebook or YouTube, you're definitely watching the replay, #replay. So today I want to share with you guys some awesome information that I've come across based on my actual job. So for those of you that don't know, my day job is I'm an automotive professional, and I specifically work in the area that's called facilities management. So what does that mean? Facilities management is the group that helps your buildings run. So they do the cleaning, they do the maintenance, they bring in the water, they take out the trash. And so it's really interesting because we get lots and lots of details on cleaning and cleaning for health. And we actually, I did like a 3-day boot camp, and we approach it with it being a profession, the profession of sanitation. And so I have taken several classes. I have a series of classes where I get different certificates to be certified in facilities management. And I just took the class in environmental health and safety this weekend. So learning tons of information about OSHA and FDA regulations when it comes to air quality and chemical management and storage tanks and just all types of fun stuff. But there was a couple of things that I came across, plus some information that I got from what we're doing in my company that I want to share with you about things that you're going to want to keep in mind when you are trying to clean for health for sure. So one of the things I want to share with you guys, which I actually shared it in my stories, that is it's talking about sustainability practices when it comes to, let me see what chapter this is right quick. So this chapter is actually talking about OSHA and sustainability practices that they're encouraging for people. So one of the things that it mentions is substituting non-toxic substances, especially cleaning products, for toxic ones will continue to be a significant in reducing negative impacts on the environment while promoting work safety. The cleaning industry in particular has made great strides in not only substitution, but also in proper use and handling of the products used. The International Sanitary Supply Association has been a leader in working with the industry on substitution and safe use of chemicals. Their Cleaning Industry Management Standards, CIMS, is the industry standard for building service contractors and has recently been updated with the focus area on green cleaning, green seal, and another resource in this area. So there are plenty of effective green cleaners out there, and those are the only things that I would use because it is so important to the health and safety of workers and of us that are trying to clean our homes. So that's something that I've been stressing if you guys have been following my stories a lot. There's also a chapter on indoor environmental management, and under that it talks about health issues associated with poor indoor environmental quality. And a huge part of that is poor indoor air quality. And when you have a poor indoor environmental quality, you can get headaches, fatigue, shortness of breath, sinus congestion, coughing, sneezing, eye, nose, and throat irritation, skin irritation, dizziness, nausea. Does that sound familiar? So those are some of the things that we also talk about on a regular basis. We talk about getting those toxins out of our homes so that we can actually have good indoor air quality. And when we do that, then we're going to see a reduction in some of these things, or reductions in headaches, migraines, irritated throat, eye, and nose. And that is why we are so passionate about this toxic-free movement. So again, going to cleaning for health, some of the things that we're going to keep in mind, and maybe as you are, if you have some obligations when you're actually leaving your house, is that we're going to make sure that we're constantly cleaning what we call high touch points, because they can have fomites or different microbes on them. So one of the things that we are at my job are increasing the cleaning of our interior and exterior doors, push bars and handles, turnstiles, copier, printer, fax, scanner, screens, buttons, shared desktops and computers, floor handrails and stair handrails, all types of tables at common areas, chair arms and back and benches at common areas, restroom sinks, toilets, dispensers, restroom horizontal surfaces, restroom partitions and handles, restroom door push plates, handles, shared radios and phones, shared tools and office equipment, sign and notebook, pen and surface, locker room services and latches, elevator buttons inside and outside, microwave buttons, refrigerator door and handle, drinking fountains, ice machine exterior, trash can lid handles, vending machine, mobile equipment, touch services, shared spray bottles if used without gloves, light switches and breaker switches, commonly used parts, bins, drawers, points of use, things of that nature. So again, as you're out, if you have to, I know everyone is staying home as much as possible, and but like I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and I had to go pick up medication today, and I had this mandatory test yesterday, so I did have to leave the house several times. So as we're going out, if we come across any of these things, these are the times that afterwards, when we get back in our car or before we get out of the car, that we're going to use our hand sanitizer that we have with us if we can't get to and immediately wash our hands, because these are the touch points that need to be cleaned at a regular basis to minimize everything that's going on right now. So with that too, I wanted to also invite everyone to participate in a 21-day cleaning challenge. So if you need details on that, I can definitely send me a DM, and I can send you the little sheet that talks about that 21-day cleaning challenge. And what we're starting today with is windows. And some of the tools, I've been sharing them again a lot in my stories. Of course, I am partial to the green cleaner that is our Thieves Cleaner. And so I clean out here, and then just a couple of other just notes, right? So me, I'm allergic to dust, right? So I'm gonna have my diffuser going for sure when I'm cleaning, without a doubt, to make sure that I have a great experience. And then I got my salt lamp going back there. I got a cough drop in my mouth, because it doesn't matter for me. It would be worse if I had toxic cleaners, but even cleaning with my green cleaners, I wanna make sure that my respiratory system is protected. And then I'm gonna make sure that I have gloves when I'm cleaning, when I start cleaning. And so what I purchased actually was, so we have a few options, but I actually purchased our Thieves cleaning kit. So it comes with this bucket, which I am going to sweep and mop today. And it comes with some different essential oils that you can do different scents for your cleaning. So there's Citrus Fresh, Lemon Pine, Purification, and Thieves. And then it comes with this super cool booklet that actually has all the recipes that you need to do what you're looking for, right? So there's recipes for just your everyday all-purpose cleaner. So I did mix up some of these. So basically, and there's a video that you can find on this as well. Basically, if you're doing heavy cleaning, it's going to be 3 capfuls to 3 cups of water. If you're doing medium cleaning, it's going to be 2 capfuls to 3 cups of water. If you're doing light cleaning, which windows is what we're doing today, is 1 capful to 3 cups of water. So this particular bottle that was a month that we got for free is what I'm going to use for windows. I put a little bit of Citrus Fresh in it. It's actually about 1.5 cups, so I didn't even put a full cap in there. And then this is what I have for my heavy, and then I have my medium. And then one of the videos that I was watching about mixing and everything, they had this idea. You could just, once this is low, you can actually add some water and just add a top to it. So I thought that was pretty cool. But again, so we got stuff for deep cleaner, garbage disposal, degreaser, refrigerator enamel appliance cleaner, air freshener spray, toilet bowl, spritzer, just all types of stuff in here. There's a couple things I'm out of. I need some more baking soda and stuff like that, so I have to run the Kroger to get that to do some of my other cleaning, but that's what I'm going to be doing today, and that's what I invite all of you guys to do with me. If you know anyone, as usual, that needs this information, please share it or tag them in this. And again, if you need that 21-day cleaning calendar, if you need any details about anything, feel free to get back with me. So with that, I'm going to say bye to you guys. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to end this, and then I'm going to post it so my other audiences can see it. Thank you guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.